Hi y'all, happy Monday. It's a new week. Wish that I was having like a super productive start to my week, but I am not. I hate to be such a negative person because overall, like, I'm a very positive person. I am very grateful for life and I thank God every day for this life, but lately I just feel like I can't catch a break. It's been months like this. This is like what, month 2 or 3 like this, where things are starting to kind of like get good and then things happen. My kids are sick again, and if you're a mom or a parent, you know how overwhelming it is just to see your kids sick and have very little control over it. It's just been extremely tough over here, honestly. Like, sometimes like I can't help that my mind goes to like, what am I doing to deserve this? Because I don't like that mentality. But today is just one of those days where I feel that like I'm a good person, I'm a giving person, like I do good by people. I've made my mistakes, but like, I don't know, like it's just frustrating, you know? So that's where I'm at today. I'm making coffee today. I'm not gonna let this ruin the entire week. I'm gonna make it, just make sure that my kids are healthy. I've been so lucky that I have not gotten sick at all. Things could be so much worse, but this is what I'm feeling and my feelings are valid, and that's just that. But I did get a package from e.l.f. Cosmetics, which is so exciting because e.l.f. is one of my favorite brands, and so they sent over skincare. It seems like they know, huh, that I'm like on a skincare journey trying to take care of my skin, because all the packages that I've been getting are all skincare. But this is what this guy looks like. Comes with their hydration stuff and then some of their cannabis stuff and a jade roller, which is super exciting. Anyway, I just wanted to hop on here, just kind of go through the motions of what I'm feeling, because that's just what I've been feeling, y'all. Like, I'm just like, am I not doing enough for the... Happy Tuesday, y'all. I am having coffee barely. It's already 11 o'clock. I'm also watching Junes on live. He's doing the Ace Family auction. I think he's fucking hilarious. His sense of humor is my vibe. Very dry, very assholey, and I love it. I'm about to place an order because my son has a fundraiser. Y'all want to order anything? You guys remember these little things? Well, now it's like huge. They sent like 3 packets, 3 little brochures of things that you can buy. Not going to be doing much this week with the kids being sick, but I do want to decorate my coffee station today with some Halloween decor, so hopefully we can do that in a bit. Definitely feeling less of a pity party today. My grandmother's heaven anniversary is next Saturday, and I'm going through the emotions of that as well. It feels overwhelming. I just can't believe that it's gonna be a year. But you guys we're gonna talk about that more on next week's vlog, because it will be actually the week of, and I know that I'm gonna be going through a lot of emotions. You know, I want this channel to be a very happy place, a very just a place where I just like I'm myself and I do what I do. Hopefully bring smiles to people's faces and show you guys what I shot for and like my little clearance life and all that. But I want it to also be like raw and real, and not enough people talk about like the weirdness of grief. It could be totally fine one minute and then the next minute I'm crying my eyes out. I don't know, it's just gonna be an emotional week next week, I know it. And then I have to make her memorial shirts, which I'm so happy that I'm making them, and that we're gonna have matching shirts again, because we had matching shirts for her funeral. I took on the project for her funeral because it was a distraction. It was something that I felt like I needed to do. I had just got my Cricut machine, and it was just what I felt helped me just like feel better at the moment. But now, yeah, it just feels very off. Anyway, I also got, let me show you guys, I got Elijah's shirt. Can you guys guess what he's gonna be for Halloween? I ordered him 2 costumes, so this is gonna be costume number 1. Let me know down below what you guys think it is. And then I also got him the Luigi costume, because I showed you guys last week my son's gonna be Mario, so I bought Elijah a Luigi so they could be like Mario brothers. It's gonna be so cute. But yeah, all right, let me go ahead and place this fundraiser order before I forget. Having some birria with rice already mixed in because I was too lazy to do like tortillas on the side or whatever. I have been eating so bad, but I promise y'all, next month when things calm down, y'all gonna see me out here popping. All right, my sister-in-law's birthday was yesterday, but I didn't get to go because my kids have been sick, but they sent me food, so always grateful for that. Morning, happy National Coffee Day. It's always a national something, huh? I'm not even gonna lie, it's already 11:50. I just got up about an hour ago. I usually am up by like 6:30, but I haven't really been sleeping with the kids being sick. But I ordered like some vitamins, like organic all that type of stuff by this brand. I'm sure you guys have heard of it. It's called Mary Ruth's. For the kids, because I'm not even gonna like sit here and lie and be like, oh yeah, they eat like healthy diets. They don't. Sure, he's not getting the vitamins that he needs, and that's probably why he's getting sick. It's also the weather. Bitch, did you guys hear the new Jenny 69 corrido? I have no words. I have absolutely no words. I don't know if it's supposed to be like a joke, like a parody, which if so, it's pretty funny. All right, so this is my little like coffee area. It's like this weird little island. It's just kind of like on the side of the fridge. It's a tiny little area. But this is where I keep my coffee machines. But I think I'm gonna put this guy away and just keep my Nespresso and then my frother, which I'm gonna wash right now. And then have this little area of where I can put like, I know he's working. So I could put like something that's gonna make it look more like a coffee station. So that is the goal for today. All right, so I just sprayed some Dawn dish soap. I'm gonna give this little area a little scrub-a-dub-dub real quick because it does get stained with like spilling coffee and stuff like that. Added some Lysol like bleaching thing that works for like grout. I'm gonna let it sit for like 10 minutes and then I'm gonna scrub it down, see if we can get that grout a little more white. Right, so I just finished wiping it down. It's been like 3 hours, honestly. I started to wash my Nespresso, like all of the pieces. And then I got this little, I don't know what it's called, but it spins. It's a Lazy Susan, but it's like a double tiered one. I got it at the dollar section at Target. So we're gonna try to make this cute. This is what we have going in this little space. I got this glass pumpkin. It was filled with candy, but I ended up putting my Nespresso pods in there. My frother, I did a syrup, which I need to get a pump for it. And then just these little like accent pieces under here, at least for now. And I do like that this spins if I wanted it to. I feel like it's missing something. Maybe like a nice, I don't know, something that goes under here. Like a mat of some sort. But we got a little spooky vibes here. I just got to put my coffee essentials back here. But what do you guys think? I don't know. I just don't like the different colored straws, so I will change that out. Get one colored straws. Maybe I'll find like some Halloween themed ones, but so far at least we got a little razzle dazzle up in here. Happy Friday. I have not been vlogging, y'all. If you guys can hear it in my voice, I'm a little sick. Ya me tocaba, honestly, because everybody has been sick this entire month, the entire month of September. It's October 1st. I love October. I'm gonna rest as much as I can and relax. My main priority is to try to clean again because I've been trying all week and I have not been able to. I made a pumpkin coffee, but I added vanilla syrup to it and it's not that great, honestly. I'm not a big fan of this pumpkin pods, like the Nespresso ones. I'm just not a big fan. Te vas a caer. What was I gonna say? Soy la 69. Obviously, I'm feeling a little bit better, but anyway. That's all I gotta say. That's just stuck in my head, yo. Everybody else seems to get it stuck in their head too, even though it's ridiculous. But whatever, I gave her the views. Honestly, I did because I was interested. But all right, I'm gonna go put this little one to bed and then try to clean up and do some laundry, and hopefully I could just clean the kitchen and the living room and one bathroom and I will be so happy. Honestly, that's all I want to do today. Soy la 69. Are you feeling better today? Remember that trash can I showed you guys in the last vlog? We're about to put it together. I'm waiting for my floors to dry, so that's why I'm on my kitchen floor just sitting here. Oh yeah, look, so it has like the little botón right here, and I think I just have to add batteries back here. I don't know, let's just give it a go. I'm gonna be Bob the Builder today. Uh-oh, I think these are the wrong ones. It says 2D batteries. No, that's right, not like D2, right? Like D, just D batteries. I don't know, whatever. You know what, this is why I don't do anything by myself, okay? I'm good at the shopping, not at the building. Even though I'm not building anything, it literally doesn't have a single screw. This was a $40 trash can that I got for $10. I'm pretty excited about that. I've never had a motion censored one. Okay, so we got our batteries in. Let's test her. So just like that. Y'all see her? Turn her on. No, no prende. And then, does she close by herself? Pinches cosas modernas. I'm excited. Okay, that's all I wanted to show you guys. Oh, you know what? Let me show you guys something else I got here. So remember I told you guys I ordered vitamins for the kids? So this is what I ordered. I ordered the Mary Ruth's brand. It's supposed to be like organic, vegan, all of that. So I got the multivitamin. These shits are expensive, y'all. I also got the liquid ionic zinc. It looks like that. And then I also bought the organic elderberry, which I've read does like wonders for you when you're sick. So I got that as well in a liquid version. You guys see it's like a liquid little dropper like that. You know, do your research, talk to your guys' pediatricians and stuff, but I cannot handle my kids being as sick as they were this last time. I pray to God that this is the end of it. Anyway, I'm gonna go set up the rest of this trash can. I'm still excited. Thousands of places to sit in our house, and he has to sit in this little tiny bed. A couple weeks ago, when shit hit the fan, we started kind of like a pizza Friday. We sit down together, we put like a colcha on the floor, and we just eat pizza and vibe as a family, and we watch a movie. Just ordered pizza. We just went with Domino's. You're hungry, I know. So I will bring you guys along to pizza night as soon as the pizza gets here. I really don't need help. I don't need help cleaning. Look, he's the one that destroys everything. I'm about to clean up this chaos. We got our pizza. I got a sandwich, and then we also got our brownie. I don't know what they're called, but these shits are bomb as hell. And then I got some soda because I was craving a Diet Coke, but if I did not get 4, they were gonna charge me like 1 for like the same price as all 4. So I just got all 4 sodas, even though I'm only gonna drink the Diet Coke because, you know, la dieta, la dieta. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy Pizza Friday with my kids. I'm gonna end the vlog right here. I hope you guys really enjoyed. I know there wasn't too much exciting stuff going on, but I still hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, all of that good stuff. Leave any ideas for future videos that you guys want to watch. And if you're new here, thank you guys so much for clicking on my video and watching it. I hope that you guys subscribe, and I will catch you guys in next week's video. Bye.